This is my first time kayaking in Singapore actually, and despite the stormy weather, I think it was quite an experience, something special.
Okay, how I feel about this session? I think it's very useful. It let me do the kayak. It has been a long time since I last kayak, and to be doing this with Mr. Khoo, I think it's a very enjoyable experience for me. For the Bronze Polarized lens that they have issued to me, I think I have tried it, and it really cuts down the glare that I see on the sea. All those reflections are actually gone with this. I think it's very useful. So I'm able to see more clearly out in the ocean or in the sea, and I'm able to perform much more well.